So today I will be doing a get ready with me because I'm going to the movies and it's Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So what I did first was I brushed out my hair so that there was no tangles in it. And then I brushed my hair over to a deep side part. And then I started braiding a small strand of hair. Started braiding another section of hair right under that braid. And then I pinned it back. Then I grabbed another section of hair and I pinned it back as well. So I just got out of the movies. I seen Endless Love and it was amazing. If you haven't seen it, then you guys should definitely go see it.